Ichigo, you're so hungry you sound like your stomach is talking. Maybe it's saying, "Feed me fried chicken."
Don't make it sound like my stomach has a personality, but yeah, fried chicken sounds good right now.
Yay, then let's go together.
The hell is this?
Well, even better than Kentucky. Kenpachi's fried chicken must be extra strong.
That's not a good thing. Orihime.
Hey, customers, welcome to Kanchan's fried chicken. You want the special?
Special?
Yes, please. And maybe you can add pickles, wasabi, and strawberry jam.
Don't say anything weird.
Well, Ichigo. Didn't expect you to show up for a meal.
This place looks shoddy already. What's in the food? Kenpachi.
You'll find out soon enough.
Wait, this tastes good.
So fresh.
What the hell you been doing here?
The only way I can afford a chalkboard and marker.
You're selling people to Kenpachi for school supplies.
Don't complain, Ichigo. Meets me.
I can't believe this. Kenpachi running a restaurant, Yachiru on the register, and Rukia actually trafficking humans.